Hey everyone, welcome to another wonderfully shitty episode of Let's Play JavaScript Source Code 2002. Yes, you heard that right. These are custom-made, ready-to-use JavaScripts. I don't know if I've done an episode like this before, but I tried to auto-run it and it was like, oh, you're not running a program, you're opening random HTML files instead. So I know there is. No, I take that back. Thought there was a program, but maybe there are just things on here. So you basically go through, and it's just bringing you to all these different HTML files basically here. And don't know if I really want to download random sketchy ass JavaScript files, but I do think it's interesting seeing the contributors themselves, their emails, and their URLs that they're coming from here. Uh, Typically quite interested in the games here. Some of these, yep, are likely going to be pretty, just clones of your classic Hasbro games, but things like Ants, um, man, angelfire.com, this shit is bringing me back. But let's just look through here, see if anything sticks out to me. They seem pretty bland, let's say, they are JavaScript games. Yeah, it looks pretty pathetic here. Nothing really too deep. Interactive version that allows you to play your own Pokemon. Huh, I might have to check that out. Huh. Pokemon Invaders, yeah. That one's probably just Invaders, but 1999, yeah, that was quite in the zeitgeist at the time for sure. So I might have to look into that one there. Let's just assume it's shit and move on, but yeah, everything else looks pretty generic, so I'm just kind of curious looking through what some of the stuff is here. Got background effects, got buttons. Back in the day, I would fuck around with a bunch of their sheets. A lot of these are probably used for people at work, fucking around and being able to edit how they did things in a day here. You know, like sizing the windows and buttons that will send apology emails. So I'm sure that was quite sought after back in the day. We got calculators, we got calendars, we got clocks, different cookies to be able to use for like setting backgrounds and stuff like that. Equivalents. They're just like they're just like converters and other equations and stuff like that. Folder trees. Have you given it a try yet? This is what's called folder tree navigation. Interesting. You would think that is what they used. Anyways, that's a little mystifying. I'm not too sure I understand. Forms. This is probably something so people could use these to make their own things. Multiple pages on this here. Generators. Internal search machines for up to 8 web pages. Wow, that's how archaic things were back in the day. Messages, alert messages, check sorters. Honestly, I still like see this shit all over the fucking place today's day and age. So it's interesting to still see this here. If anybody's watching this and anybody sees their email on here, feel free to reach out. Probably roast you and tell you to go pound sand, but it'll still be a nice little blast from the past here. Miscellaneous. Days ahead. Days ahead until Y2K. Interesting. Let's see if anything sticks out here. Mad Libs. Other little neat JavaScript effect. Navigation stuff. Page details. This is like for constructing stuff, which is interesting. I'm making your own here. Stuff. So, yeah, I think my big thing, I'm gonna go dig into that Pokemon